Hello, I'm Nicholas Hanna, and today I'll be doing my presentation on the Lower Kanawha watershed. In this presentation, I will be going over the water quality standards, the impairments, the West Virginia Stream Condition Index, and the permits for this watershed. The water quality standards, in this case, was a TMDL for dioxin up and down the Kanawha River in 4 monitoring locations, and you can see those locations to the map at the right, the little green dots. The top chart is the result of the amount of dioxin read at those 4 monitoring locations. On average, it was 5 times higher than a model stream would have been, so that is not a good case. That means there was 5 times the amount of dioxin that is for a healthy stream. In the lower table, it represents data for the fish tissue. This was collected out of the Kanawha River, Armour Creek, and the Pocatalico River. And once again, the dioxin levels in the fish tissue was much higher than what a model stream fish tissue would represent. This is a 303D listing from the same time period as the TMDL that we just looked at. It shows that once again dioxin is one of the most reoccurring pollutants in this watershed in the Kanawha River, Pocatalico River, and Armour Creek. That is a TMDL for all of those locations, and the priority on those is high. And some other ones would be nutrients loading from fecal matter or iron in the other locations, but we're focusing on the Kanawha River, Pocatalico River, Armour Creek, and Heiser Creek locations. In the lower chart, it shows that the Heiser Creek location is affected by acid mine drainage, which leads directly into the Poca River and Kanawha River. For the West Virginia Stream Condition Index, we will be examining Armour Creek and Heiser Creek. Both of these do have impairments, which are acid mine drainage in Heiser Creek and dioxin levels in Armour Creek, and they both do flow into the Kanawha River. And this table on the right shows what a good stream of a WIVSKI score should have, and then of course what a bad stream levels would be. And the 2 streams that we are looking at are highlighted in pink, and all the way to the right in blue are the WIVSKI scores. Armour Creek has only a score of 13.3, which is very poor, while Heiser Creek has 65.15 at one location and 70.66 at the other location, which is one is right below a fair or normal stream and the other is right above, so that is in decent condition, much better condition than Armour Creek. The permits in this watershed, there are 120 total issued permits up and down the Kanawha River, and what I could find, there were 6 different types of permits. These permits are septic seal permit, stormwater permits, home aeration unit permits, general sewage permits, industrial permits, and 1 hydrostatic testing permit, which is for a pipeline. And to the right are just the permit numbers and codes for the different types of permits, and some of those do vary. For instance, such as stormwater permits, whether it be a construction permit, industrial permit for stormwater, or a school, anything like that, but in general they're all very similar. And the stormwater and the home aeration unit permits were some of the most common, along with the general sewage and industrial. So in summary, we went over the water quality standards, the impairments, the West Virginia Stream Condition Index, and the permits for this watershed. And these are my references, and thank you for watching.